I swear, I've seen it 1,000 times. A woman sits in my chair, a little frazzled, a little tired, and then her hair starts coming together. Suddenly, she's sitting taller, she's checking herself out in the mirror, and she's smiling like, oh, there she is. You see, that's the magic of a good hair day, and it's exactly why I created the Good Hair Energy Box. It's my way of sending that confident, feel-good energy to you every month. It's a monthly reminder of how powerful a good hair day can be. If this sounds like something you'd love, head to goodhairenergy.com. You can learn more about the box and add your name to the wait list so you'll be the first to hear when it goes live. And remember, when you know better, you do better.
Well, hey there, and welcome to Straight from the Stylist Chair. This is a special Q&A series here on All About Hair. I'm your host, Denise Keilitz, and I'm here to answer the real questions clients ask in the salon so you can feel confident and love every visit. Welcome back to Straight from the Stylist Chair, where we tackle the most common hair struggles. My question that I got today was, why won't my hair hold a curl? Are your curls falling flat by lunchtime? We're going to fix that today. We are going to talk about why this happens to so many people. Because a lot of people spend a lot of time curling and only to have their curls disappear within a few hours. My daughter was just talking to me about that the other day. Here's some of the reasons why that could be happening. Maybe you have too much conditioner on your hair. Maybe you have the wrong prep product on your hair. Or maybe you're curling the sections that are too big for your tool that you're using. Possibly your heat settings are often wrong too. Could be. So here's what you do about that. You want to make sure that you're prepping your hair with either a mousse or a texture spray on dry hair. Okay? Take smaller sections, and you want to make sure you let all the curls cool completely before touching them. Keep your iron temperatures moderate. Often lower heat sets better than the higher heat. Even though we get a little bit impatient and we want that higher heat, doesn't always work that way. Then you want to finish with a flexible hold spray, not heavy oil. Do not put heavy oil on those fresh curls. And I think if you follow this solution, you'll finally have bouncy, long-lasting curls that last through the day, and sometimes to the next day. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope today's chat helps you walk into your next appointment feeling totally confident. For more tips and stories, keep listening to the full All About Hair podcast and grab the free resource in the show notes. Until next time, I'll save you a seat in the chair.